The modern printed circuit board is the core of all global electronics, yet it remains incredibly vulnerable during the assembly process. Factory managers often assume that purchasing a high-speed pick-and-place mounter from brands like Yamaha or Juki guarantees maximum throughput. However, the real delay happens between those machines. When operators manually carry or flip boards, they introduce micro-smudges to the solder paste and risk dropping the hardware entirely. Look at overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE. Theoretical mounter speed stays high, but actual OEE plummets the moment manual handling delays enter the equation. Maximizing return on investment requires completely eliminating human intervention between your fastest machines. Southern Machinery engineers the architectural solution to this bottleneck, a fully integrated board handling system. This system utilizes SMEMA compatibility to ensure every loader, conveyor, and buffer communicates without error. We are going to trace the life cycle of a complex, double-sided circuit board through a zero-lag Southern Machinery line. A true smart factory demands that every single piece of equipment speaks the exact same digital language without translation delays. Processing double-sided boards creates a distinct routing challenge. The line must assemble side A, store the board, and successfully refeed it for side B. The SLD-V series combo loader addresses the first step using a precision vacuum. It safely lifts a bare board to begin side A. Once side A is complete and stored, the unit switches functions. It acts as a magazine pusher, feeding those boards back into the line for side B. Between stages, the SK250 turnover conveyor intercepts the board. The mechanism safely rotates a full 180 degrees, inverting the hardware without scratching the components. By integrating combo loaders and automated flippers, you remove human hands from the most physically vulnerable transfer stages. Moving down the line, we hit the origin point for 60 to 70% of all soldering defects, the solder paste printer. For mass production of complex boards with fine-pitch components, the fully automatic SP830 uses a high-precision CCD camera system to capture fiducial marks and perfectly align the board. Southern Machinery explicitly engineered the SP830 to separate the automatic cleaning unit from that CCD camera. Because the optical equipment remains isolated from the wiper's motor vibrations, the camera maintains strict precision over millions of cycles. For high-mix, lower-volume runs, the SP300 semi-auto screen printer provides a cost-effective alternative without sacrificing mechanical stability. The SP300 utilizes a heavy-duty printing scraper to apply uniform paste pressure across the entire stencil. This process is driven by an adjustable speed control motor, ensuring the scraper blade moves at an absolutely consistent rate. Simultaneously, a precise pneumatic drive system raises and lowers the steel net perfectly straight along the Z-axis. Whether utilizing automated CCD alignment or semi-automatic mechanical controls, standardizing stencil pressure prevents defects before a single component is mounted. After component placement, the board enters the S6600 PC reflow oven. Modern lead-free soldering is an exact thermal recipe, not a simple application of heat. The S6600 PC uses closed-loop PID control to maintain strict temperature gradients across 6 top and 6 bottom heating zones. This chart shows the official IPC standard welding temperature diagram. It dictates the exact thermal curve a printed circuit board must experience to form reliable joints. Look at the initial rise between 0 and 60 seconds. This is the preheating zone. The temperature must increase at under 3 degrees Celsius per second to prevent the board from cracking under thermal shock. Next, the temperature plateaus. In this Sauk zone, the flux inside the solder paste chemically activates, cleaning the metal pads and preparing them for bonding. The curve then crests above 210 degrees Celsius. This is the reflow zone, a brief high-temperature spike that actually melts the metallic paste to form the joints. Finally, the steep downward slope represents the cooling zone, dropping the temperature rapidly to solidify the metal and lock the components into place. Mastering this exact 4-stage thermal curve is the final barrier to guaranteeing flawless solder joints and protecting the underlying hardware. Zooming out, we see the entire production line operating continuously as a single, synchronized organism. The foundation of this synchronization is total SMEMA compatibility, the Universal Digital Handshake. This protocol allows Southern Machinery's handling and peripheral equipment to feed operational data seamlessly to existing high-end mounters from Panasonic, Mirai, or Yamaha. An isolated machine sitting on a factory floor is a liability. A fully communicating end-to-end production line is a profitable smart factory. Engineering this level of integration requires experience. Southern Machinery has been manufacturing these solutions in Shenzhen since 2011. Today, over 237 electronics manufacturing services clients globally utilize their automated assembly architecture. For international buyers, that translates to operational security, with readily available imported spare parts and remote installation guidance extending the lifespan of the equipment. Eliminate manual handling delays and maximize your mounter speeds. Architect your zero-lag SMT line today.